The tank drain time calculator using Torricelli's theorem determines how long it takes to drain a tank through an orifice at its base. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric, which uses meters and square meters, or imperial, which uses feet and square feet. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Now enter your 3 input values. Tank cross-sectional area A is the horizontal cross-section area of your tank. Orifice area A is the area of the drain opening at the bottom. Initial head height H is the starting water level above the orifice. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a tank cross-sectional area of 2 square meters, an orifice area of 0.01 square meters, and an initial head height of 3 meters. Click Calculate Drain Time. The calculator provides the total time required to completely drain the tank from your specified initial height. This calculation assumes ideal flow conditions with no friction losses and uses Torricelli's equation, which relates flow velocity to the height of liquid above the orifice. The result helps engineers size drain systems and predict emptying times for storage tanks. Find the link in the description below.